What's going on, everybody? It's your man Tony, and you know what time it is. It's time to conquer your kitchen. Today I'm going to give you a nice simple summer salad. It's crunchy, it's delicious. Trust me on this one, guys. I love this salad. It's got some sweetness to it, it's got a little bit of a zip to it, and if you like it like I do, it's got a little heat to it. Alright, so let's get started. This is your crunchy summer salad, and all I have is just some stuff that you probably already have in the kitchen, okay? I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is the broccoli and some cauliflower. And as you see, I've cut this up into bite-sized pieces. You don't want it too big because, do you really want to see your Aunt Jane trying to stick a big old piece of broccoli in her mouth? Teeth fall out, she gets all mad. You don't want all that. Bite-sized pieces, guys. All right, so this is about as big as you want it. All right, so got some broccoli and some cauliflower, and then for our dressing, we're going to start with some mayo. You can use mayo. I'm actually using Miracle Whip because Miracle Whip is better than mayonnaise. Alright, some of y'all gonna get mad at me about that, but I'm sorry. I grew up with Miracle Whip. I love the commercials, the tangy zip of Miracle Whip. That's how I roll, okay? Alright, and then I have some balsamic vinegar. I have some raspberry vinaigrette, some sugar, minced garlic, some sunflower seeds, and some cranberries, just some dried cranberries. Then of course got the fresh black, a little salt. That's it. When you're using cranberries, make sure, especially for this dish, make sure that you break them up, because sometimes cranberries will stick together and you want them to be pretty evenly distributed throughout the distributed throughout the dish. I swear sometimes I do these videos and I just cannot put my words together. I don't know why. But anyway, this is real simple, guys. All you do is take these ingredients, mix them together to make your sauce or your dressing, mix in the vegetables, and that's it. Refrigerate it, let those ingredients get all together and start. Y'all been around long enough, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's just move this out of the way and go ahead and get started. So I actually got this dish from a place that I used to work. And when I was at the senior home, they used the same deal here, and they loved it. And it's like, you know, sometimes if it's good enough for the seniors, who are very particular, it's good enough for you. So I have my mayonnaise in there, or Miracle Whip. Oh goodness, some sugar and the minced garlic. All right, so we get that all in there, and then hit it with a little fresh black. I like that. And a pinch of salt. Let's get that in there. It's about 1/4 teaspoon, not much. You don't want to go overwhelming with the salt because you already have the balsamic and the vinaigrette that's going to, you know, provide enough of the saltiness. So let me get this out of the way here. I'll slide this over. And then you just want to whisk this up. Whisk it together until you get a nice smooth consistency. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's the color that you want. That's the consistency that you want. So now, ideally, you can make this dressing the day before. It will give those ingredients a time to really come together. Yeah, yeah, and do their thing, okay? Then, all I'm going to do is take a larger bowl, because this bowl is really too small to do this in, because I want really good coverage. So what I want to do is just take that, pour it in, get that to the side, and then at this point is when you're going to put in your cranberries and your sunflower seeds. Now I'm going to put some of these in here, and then I'm going to hold some back for the garnish, okay? You can use sunflower seeds, you can use walnuts, pecans, any kind of nuts that you want to use. Now, some people out there, like my mom, who's probably watching this, hi mama, my mother does not like mayonnaise or Miracle Whip or anything that even remotely resembles either one. a very good substitution, sour cream. Throw sour cream in there and you're golden. You're golden. All right, so then all you do is take this, mix it up, guys. That's it. Alrighty, now you have all of your broccoli and cauliflower coated. I swear, every time I cook, something tries to jump out of my bowl. My food is scared of me because it knows it's getting ready to meet a fate. So yeah, just get all of this stuff covered up, and that is it. That is it. Make sure that when you're stirring, because you have those sunflower seeds in there and the cranberries, they're smaller, so they're going to settle to the bottom. So make sure you go in and bring it back to the top. And then, guys, this is a wonderful, wonderful summer salad. You can use it as a side dish. You can use it as a main course if you roll like that. I mean, you know, obviously by the size of this plate, that's about what I'm going to do tonight because, yeah, I'm feeling it. Okay, so get everything there, and then I just like to come in at the end and just garnish it with a couple of sunflower seeds. And that is all she wrote. Simple summer salad. It's wonderful. Like I said, it's tangy, it's sweet, it's got those cranberries in there. I want to make sure I get a bite of everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The more it stays in my mouth, the better it gets. But guys, go ahead and knock this one out. You're gonna love that you did. The longer you let that dressing marinate, the better it's gonna be. Once you get it like this, toss it in the fridge, let it chill. You just mixed it all up. Let it chill. Just let it chill. Let it sit in there for a couple hours. Bring it up nice and cold. Your guests are going to love it. You're going to love it. I love you for stopping by. I appreciate it. All the support you guys have been giving me has been wonderful. I want you to subscribe. I want you to take this video and share it with somebody else. I want you to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. I'm all over the place. You can't miss me. Come on, guys. I'm here to help you conquer your kitchen. Thank you so much for coming by. I love you. Peace out. God bless. Bye-bye.